Da, 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 da. Bloop. The dog and I are currently having a stare down, guys, because I may have gotten a bone so that she won't bark during the whole no blender slushy. She knows I have the bone, so she's being a really good girl right now. But she's gonna bark in like half a second. Just wait for it to happen. No, maybe she won't. I'll give her a bone. She's a good girl. All right. So, hello, good afternoon. My name is Chris Dorman. I am the Maine State Library STEM librarian. I need to find a way to shorten that up. And today, because it is absolutely gorgeous out, because it would definitely be after school and most of you should be on summer vacation, I'm going to show you guys how to use science to take juice or soda. I don't know if the bubbles, the carbonation stays in. We don't have soda in the house just because we don't drink it. So you can try it with soda. It has to be regular soda. Sugar-free doesn't work because of the fake sugars. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a no blender slushy. So what you're going to need, big bag, little bag. You can use the same size. You're just going to have to fill it differently and you'll see what I mean. You're going to need table salt or rock salt or your mom's kosher salt. You just need salt. And you're going to need ice. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take my big bag. I'm going to walk over to my freezer. I'm going to make a lot of noise. And what we're going to do, so much ice, a little more. I'd probably say 2.5 cups of ice. Now what we're going to do is ice has a freezing temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit, around that, give or take, depending on conditions. What we're going to do is by using our salt, we're actually going to drop that freezing temperature so that the ice is going to be colder than 32 degrees. Now, it's the same reason that oceans don't really freeze. It's because oceans are made of salt water. So we have our ice. Don't do anything yet. We have our ice. Now we're going to take our little bag. We're going to take our juice of your choice. I'm currently using white cran strawberry. I've never had it before. I don't know what it'll taste like. Carefully, you're going to want about a cup. The more you use, the longer time it'll take to slushy up. Probably about a cup and a half. That's okay. Now, what you're going to want to do is carefully, you want to take as much air as you can. I don't know if you can actually see me kind of squeezing down. You want to take as much air as possible out of that bag. So I got most of the air out. Okay, now you don't necessarily have to have any waterproof tape. However, I've had several accidents where, remember how we're going to make a salt water solution? The salt water got into my slushy. So now I'm a little paranoid about a salt water slushy. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your tape. You're just going to kind of fold it over the top. So that way you make sure, whoop, make a little seal. Now, hopefully, I won't get any salt water in my baggie. Okay, so what we're going to do, take your ice, take your salt, just like when you make ice cream. You can actually make ice cream this way. No particular amount. Take your baggie. Now this is where we're actually going to have to work. Again, you want to take the air out. And you're just going to make a lot of noise. And you're just going to shake it. Now this should take about 5 minutes. If it gets too cold for your hands, what you're going to do is you can take a towel, a clean t-shirt, newspaper. You can just wrap it up. Kind of wrap it up like a little burrito. And then you can literally just squeeze it. Just shake it. Now again, the reason this is working and the reason I'm going to slushify is because what I've done is I've made the ice colder than 32 degrees by adding the salt. Now if you see mine's already slushing up a little bit. Now if you see for some reason, I hope you guys can still hear me while I'm making all this noise. I don't know. Can somebody put in the chat if they can still hear me while I'm shaking and making noise? That would be great. What you're doing is because the ice is so cold, you're making sure that all of that ice, all of that cold is going to touch onto that juice. Now, again, this is going to take a few minutes. I should have pre-slushed my slushy. Now, my slushy isn't really going fast enough. Just going to add more salt. More salt. Because I really want to get that temperature down. Now, you can also add a little more ice if you want. Air out. And the reason we take the air out is because, again, we want that juice to be in contact with that ice. Okay? And you're just going to shake it. You're going to shake it, squishy it up. Now, the fun part is if you want to make ice cream like this, you just take all of the ingredients of your ice cream and you, fantastic, everybody can hear me. You take all the ingredients of your ice cream. So your cream, your flavor, chocolate chips, or grape nut, I don't know, that's like my grandmother's. You can put it in your little baggie, tie it off, and you do the same thing. Ice, salt, and shake. That one definitely takes a long time, but the difference is that instead of just making it cold, while you shake it around, you're also putting air into the ice cream, which is why ice cream kind of gets that smooth and fluffy texture. You want to aerate the cream. So cold. So cold. It's starting to slushy up. Just keep shaking. This is now the part where you guys just watch me stir it. And you just want to keep checking. You want to see if it's getting slushy yet. So cold. Woo. I almost opened my bag. That would make a mess. Now you can do this the old-fashioned way. You can take some fruit juice and you can pretend that you didn't forget and put it in the freezer to get it cold. You just kind of shake it around. Oh, there we go. Yes, I love it. That actually is pretty good. Eventually, and it happens fast, you guys will start to get slushies. Now, I know you can't really see, but see how it's sticking up at the top? I can't get it too close because I'll drip. So it's almost slushing. I would say maybe like 30 more seconds. So I'm going to give it another quick shake. Not quite slushy enough. Oh, so cold. So cold. Yes. Lovely. Now, problem is I got really excited with my duct tape. Now I don't know if I can get my duct tape off. Why is it the duct tape only really sticks to duct tape? Here we go. Come on. Duct tape problems. There we go. And now, put this over here so I can drip on something. You have a no blender, no mess. Well, I just made a mess because I missed my cup. Slushy that you made using science. Oh, that's actually really nice. Wish I had a lime. And again, the reason that works is because we use salt. I told you she was going to bark. The reason that worked is because we use salt to lower the freezing temperature. And if you can get crushed ice or you can take ice and break it down, that gives more surface temperature for the ice to work through. She wants some slushy too, apparently. It gives greater surface area. So that means the ice is colder. So that means your slushy will freeze faster. There you go, guys. Science on a really hot day. And now you have a cool treat. Try it out. Let me know because I want to see those pictures. Have a great day, guys. And go try some slushies. Bye-bye.